Okay, so I've had a request, which is to find client mode. Wait, where was it? Can you make a video on how to find client mode? Can seem to find it in L4D2. I made this video in 2021, so it's been a while, but I went back to my project to see what it was like, and I think I found the source of how I originally found it. This post on unknown cheats kind of explained how to get it, but it says that games that are greater than L4D2 use a different, well, they don't have a string that is usually used or something like that, whatever. I know that there was an update to all games, or most of the games, a few months back, so I don't know if it's still applicable, but it just so happens that I have L4D2 installed locally, and I just loaded up the client DLL in IDA as well. So let's see if we can follow the same tutorial over here, and if we can find it. Alright, so to start with, we have to find the string. So, well, loaded that up. I think it just finished scanning everything. Let's just do one thing real quick. Plugins, and then string associate. Continue. There we go. Then Alt T to find text. I'll get that, and then find all currencies. Now, are we in luck today or not? Probably yes. It takes a while because it's literally going through the entire DLL. And there we go. Okay. So then the instructions say that we have to find CHL client in it. So, and it looks like this. Okay. CH client in it. I mean, I guess it's gonna be in here, and it looks like this. Does it? I think I got the wrong one. Let's see the next one. No, definitely not this one. How about this one? Nope. Well, maybe it is this one. Okay, let's press F5, see what it looks like. Okay, well. Oh. Is it this easy? I don't know. But if it is, then it says that position your cursor. Okay, decompile it. We got a bunch okay, of interfaces over there, and we do get the interfaces over here, so it's looking good. Then let's give it a name. Yes, that should be a good thing to do. So right click, rename global, or press N to do that. Okay, there we go. And then we cross-reference by pressing X, so we go back to here, and this is the vtable. Great. So within the vtable, we have to find, well, we have to find a certain function. I'm already spotting it right now, but the instructions say that we're looking for the HUD update. And so let me show it to you in the source engine code base. HUD update is right over here. If you search for it, there's a bunch, but you're looking for the one in client DLL and the CPP one, so the implementation of it. And well, would you look at that? There's a couple strings in here. Time init, sorry, time end and float. Well, I did use the string associate plugin, so it is showing me all of the functions in here and what they are, well, what they contain. And look at that. We got both of them in here. So let's take a look and decompile this. And we got the strings over here. So I guess we know that this one is indeed HUD update. So let's rename that. Go back to it. So we have init and HUD update. Great. Now what are the next steps? The next steps would be to simply look for that, and that should be HUD update. Yes. See the reference? That's how we know HUD update is in the function. And jump back. Great. That's where we are. Now I know that HUD process input has a call to client mode somewhere in it. So HUD process input, if we want to take a look at that one, let's take a look at how it is here. It should be right above HUD update, and the implementation of it, oh boy, is it? Did I get the wrong one? Yes, I think I got the wrong one. Hold on. Client. Yeah, it's still above HUD update. Oh wait, no. See, I'm going a little bit right. There we go. This is the implementation, and it's a call from client mode. Well, I mean, this pointer is client mode, is it? No, ch client, that's it. But it has a pointer to client mode. So, can we find it right above HUD update? That's I guess that's where he's going for. It's quite literally a call to client mode. This makes a small function. It is a small function, yeah. And right beneath HUD update. Okay. How do we know this? Well, we know because we checked the base. So let's go back to this, and it's possibly in here. So let's go in there, decompile it, and it's literally that. This call and the word, I guess that's it. Great. So what are the following instructions? Well, I know that's in there. Look at the table, you'll see it for yourself. Wait, let me rename it first real quick. Let's go back to it. So process input, great. And so we have our reference to client mode right there. In this specific case, it's named dword. Okay, so it's this one here. Wait, where were we? See, I always. Oh yeah, there we go. Call. Is it this one? Dword. This is a subroutine. I don't know about that then. Hold on. So if we were in here, how about just quickly looking at this one? No, this is not it. It doesn't look exactly the same. Well, it wouldn't look exactly the same, but take a look at the table. You'll see it first. I've highlighted in bold as well. In case you missed it, this information we need to take a HUD update and subtract one index from it. That will take to HUD process input. That will so we'll do that by going to HUD update in the ch client table. Then by going down one, double click on the function, and then you should be taken into the function that looks similar to this. My god, that's a lot of spaghetti explanations. And it's 5:30 in the morning, so it's not the best time. Let's see. It's calling into this. Does it mean? There we go. That's what it was mentioning. So we jump into that, and then I believe that's what we find. The call, and then since it's a call to process input, if we follow it, then this would be this pointer would be client mode, right? So ECX, I believe that would be the client mode. Well, this one is getting put into ECX, so this is actually the pointer. I think that's what they mean there. So we have our reference to client mode right there. In the specific case, it's this. I could rename it. Just I think it's fine to rename it like that. And so to get an address to that, well, what is he saying? We know that client mode is, okay, yeah, because it could be updated, but so we want to get a signature to it. So okay, fine, we'll just highlight a bunch of opcodes and then plug in, and then seg maker, and then i.pattern. There we go. We have a signature over here, and then you would use it in your own code. But in the case of my old engine, client mode would, you would have it in here, put it in there like that, and well, use it then. I can't test it out right now, but I mean, it does look very similar to the one that I found previously for CSS. It is slightly different. Well, this is L4D2, but it's good looking. I think it will work fine for you. Alright, that's it. I hope you found it interesting and maybe you learned something out of it. It's been a while since I last did a tutorial like this, but I mean, better late than never. Alright, thank you for watching, and until next time, like and subscribe, whatever I just said. Bye.